Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is July 30th, 2019. This is my 30th episode about graph in C++. In this episode, we will extend std-beast to support for std map. This episode continues from our previous episode, so we have to download our previous source code files. Beast extension talkpaper.com website. Click this button to download complete source code. Show in folder. If you unzip it, under CPP extension graph subfolder, you can find 29beast.cpp. This is the source code file we created in our previous episode. In our previous episode, episode 29, overcome the limitation of std-beast. If you haven't watched this video, please double click and watch this video because my current session continues from my previous episode, episode 29, overcome the limitation of std-beast. If you haven't watched this video, you probably cannot follow this session. Also note that you need to watch episode 28, how to implement std-beast. In this episode, we will be using SFINAE quite a lot. Also std enable if t. If you don't know how to use std enable if t or SFINAE, please double click this link and watch this video too to understand what is SFINAE and what is std enable if t, because we will be using quite a lot of std enable if t. More specifically, we will create is pair type b is variant type b to test if the type is std pair. This is to test if the type is std variant. We will also create enable if variant t enable if pair t. Without further ado, let's get started. Start Visual Studio Code. Under CPP extension graph subfolder, you can find 29beast.cpp. Right click, copy, scroll up, select graph, right click, paste, right click, rename 30beast. Hit enter. I will close welcome screen. Ctrl V. This state is the source code from our previous episode. We will create some type functions here. Template, type name type, struct is pair, type st, static, context pair, bool, value, false. This is primary class. This is specialization. Type 1, type name, type 2, std pair, type 1, type 2. In this case, this is true. I copy this part and paste it here. Context pair bool is pair type b is pair type st type value. Here we remove constant volatile reference t. Now I create another type function. Template, type name type, struct is variant type st, static, context pair, bool, value, false. I copy once again. We specialize it. Types. std variant types. This is true. And I copy this once again. Paste it here. Const text here. Bool. I copy once again. Paste. Type. Value. Here. Remove constant volatile reference t. So we created type functions. It should be v, like this. With this, we create enable if t template, type name, type name, return type, void using enable if pair t std enable if t is pair type b. We are using this type function. Type return type. We create another one. Now this time enable if variant t is variant type b return type. This is to enable if type is variant type. This is to enable if type is pair type. With this, scroll down. This is return type. This type should be variant type. Enable if variant t. We provide variant type here. So this is return type for SFINAE. This function is enabled only when variant type is std variant types. And also here, this is return type. Enable if variant t. We pass variant type here. This is return type. This function is enabled only when variant type is std variant types. Now I copy this function. Paste it here. Now it is pair type. I change it to pair type. This function is enabled only when pair type is std pair some type 1 type 2, and it should be pair type here. Also it should be fixed like this. And I also copy this function. Copy, paste it. Now I modify it pair type. And pair type. It should be pair. This function is enabled only when pair type is std pair some type 1 some type 2. I will further modify here. Now this is pair. Auto key BT pair. From here, I will create using pair T, remove constant volatile reference T pair type. So I defined the pair type here using variant T, type name pair T, second type is variant. I don't think I need it. From this variant type, we got variant size. This is the same. Now this should be pair type because of this pair. So we need further modification in this pair type. Here, auto key BT is variant from std forward pair type pair. It should be pair. And it also should be pair. From this pair, we get key and variant. So here we now pass key. Okay? Please remember this part. Remembering this part is important. We are now passing key and value. Value extracted from variant. Okay? And we are calling this function recursively. With this, scroll down. We created this function, simplified map, in our previous episode. We can now enable it and disable this part. Now we have to modify this overloaded handler too, like this, auto key. Then I can modify like this, stream key is name and there. I copied, pasted it here. Now this is age. I copy it once again, pasted it here. Now this is wage. Of course, auto key auto. Okay. With this, I disable simplified set and enable simplified map. So we call this function start command prompt. You should be in CPP extension graphs folder. File name is 30bit G++, std, C++17, 30bit.cpp, hit enter. Wow, it compiled without any error. CLS, it works perfectly. Programmer, if we scroll up, programmer is key, Thomas Kim is value, age is key, 30 is value, weight is key, 60.5 is value, actress is key, Sophie Turner is value, her age is key, 20 is value, her weight is key, 56.7 is value. So we can successfully handle map type now, map over variant types. Before I wrap up this episode, I will demonstrate how map over variance is useful. I will create a new file in graph 30 map over variance.cpp, hit enter. I will close this file now. In this file, include talk, play, fun, output HPP, namespace, types, talk, play, fun, types. I defined a namespace alias type, then talk, play, fun, stream, auto, and talk, play, fun, and auto, and talk, play, fun, and void powerful application of map of variance int main. I will copy this, paste it here using key type will be constant character pointer using name t std string using age t int using weight t double. We defined some basic data type. Now I define using person t types map of variance, the key type, name type, age type, weight type. So this is a person using people t. I can use any container, but I will just use vector person t. So people t is std vector std map key type t std variant name t age t weight t. Okay, now I define some key type auto key name auto key age auto key weight. These are keys because this is constant character pointer type. This is not actually constant character pointer, but we can make it like that. Now people t people. So this is vector of person. Now here people in place back we are inserting members of person t. So person t person can have a key value pair like this. Key name Thomas Kim, key age 23, key weight 56.0 kilogram. So this is one person. I copied, pasted. Now this is Sophie Turner, age 26, weight 66.5 kilograms. Now I copy once again another person, Albert Kim, age 21, weight 65 kilograms. So I inserted 3 person for auto person people string my name is person key name. I copy once again. I am key age years old. I copy once again. I weigh person weight. Key weight kilograms. So now we run this program in the command prompt. G++ std C++ 17 30 map over variance.cpp, hit enter. CLS A. Okay, so my name is Thomas Kim. I am 23 years old. I weigh 56 kilograms. The second person, my name is Sophie Turner. I am 26 years old. I weigh 66.5 kilograms. The next record, my name is Albert Kim. I am 21 years old. I weigh 65 kilograms, 60.5 kilograms. So we can access each field using map. We can also use unordered map too. Okay? In this case, it now becomes unordered map. The result is of course the same. Okay? We can also use multi-map or some other map type. I hope you enjoyed this session. I will upload complete source code to my website extension talk.fun. By the time you watch this video, if you click this link, then you can download complete source code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.